get?
What else? What else is in there?
Oh.
What else did the Easter Bunny leave for you?
Lolly. Oh, bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, what else?
Hi, pop, pop, pop.
Is there something else in there?
Ooh, big girl cup. And little snacks. Look at that.
What else is in there? What else did the Easter Bunny leave
Is there
you?
more in the house? Is there more?
Is there more stuff?
Can you bring another bunny?
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Wow.
What is it,
that
Paige?
stuff?
Oh,
Let it
wow.
go.
Looks like you got
Let it
lots of stuff.
go.
Paige, is there a basket in there for you?
Is there anything
Is there
else?
more?
Or is it all done? All gone?
Bring out that whole basket. Bring out your whole basket. There.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Wow.
Wow.
Pretty. Another cool cup. Anna and Elsa. What's this? Jelly bellies. And then there a bunny. Pop, pop, pop. And straws.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Easter bunny rocks. What is it?
Yay, Paige. Paige, do you like it?
Let me see. You gonna try one? I don't know if you're gonna like it.
What's in that big bag? All right. Ooh, what is it?
Daddy?
Is it candy?
Yay.
Happy Easter, Paige.
Baby.